Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 25th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So this morning I was saying it looks like the Euro dollar needs to go down, whether it's a correction to this move up or not, we still don't really know for sure. According to the higher time frames, we should be looking at this move down as a possible correction to this move up. Now, there was definitely no reason to go long today. We never had like an aggressive turn at a Fibonacci level. We never had that double bottom breaker structure that we're looking for, so there was really never any reason to go long at any of these fib levels. Now, if the 61 or the 78% does make, a very aggressive turn to the upside, I would definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs at that point, but it could possibly just bounce, make a lower high, bounce, make a lower high, and just keep on going down. So if you are a short time frame trader, definitely still recommending shorts. If not, I would be looking for a breaker structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level for a possible long opportunity. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.